Hi, in this video I will show you how to create your own custom preset or save your own custom preset for your next project or you use for your new projects like lava. If you create, I create here a lava. Show you the preview. So here's my lava effect. I created with the fractal noise and the curve adjustment and this turbulence displacement. So I want to save this lava effect because I here spend a lot of time, not a lot of time, but spend some time, but I don't want to create lava next time. And want if I create a lava next time, so I don't want to spend more time for creating this lava effect. So I just created it first time, and then I will save this effects as a preset. Just select these three effects by clicking the first effect and hold shift and the last and left mouse button, and then it will select all your three effects. And then here you can see in the effects and preset panel, create a new animation preset. Just click on this. Version 1.2. So hit save and it will refresh this effects and preset panel. It takes some second, so it updates. So if I here click animation presets and DarkPlanet production folder is created, and here you can see lava version 1.2 here updated. So if I just delete these effects, just select this my new solid, or maybe I will create a new solid for you again, new solid, and just drag and drop here. So you can see here I have my lava, same as here. I will show you a preview, so you can see the preview and the animation is saved. So if you need this my free presets, you can just text me on my message me or contact us on our Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Link is in the description, and keep support us. And we are giving free stuffs for our subscribers, and viewers. So keep on following us, and thank you. We will teach you next time a new thing, and thanks for watching.